Okay, first things first, we have to make our French toast batter, which is simple and easy. When it comes to the vanilla extract, you can use any kind that you'd like. As I was making this, I realized we only had raspberry and it ended up working just fine. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a chef by any means. Cooking is a huge part of my life, and I thought, why not share this delicious recipe with you guys? Before I start cooking anything, I like to prep everything that I'll need. It just makes it easier and more convenient. Ooh, don't forget to put a dash of cinnamon in the batter. And once everything is prepared and ready to go, put the pan over medium-low heat, then dip the bread slice into the batter for a few seconds on each side, and make sure you melt a tablespoon of butter on the pan before putting the French toast on there. Now, while the French toast is cooking in a separate pan over low heat, as you can see, I melted about 2 tablespoons of butter, mixed in with the cinnamon, and then added the bananas and some more cinnamon. This is what makes it a little bit more sweet and gives the French toast some texture. Put as much sugar as you'd like. I am using a blowtorch to caramelize the sugar until it hardens. If my French toast looks slightly dry, it's probably because my camera kept dying while I was trying to film this. I am still kind of new at this, but you guys get the point of how this is made. You're just going to repeat this process on both sides of the bread. Now for the finishing touches. I just sprinkled some powdered sugar on the plate and over the French toast. Added the bananas, the syrup, and that's it.